Good evening, and here we are on the big day. In about a couple of hours, the Roko show will begin at the Wankhede Stadium, and I mean, it's the craze is amazing. I bumped into a family who has come from Bijapur in Karnataka, a husband, wife, and a 2-year-old kid. And during this video, you will get their bites. The fact of the matter is that they don't even have tickets, but they are here to support their team, RCB, because they follow their team. And uh, I asked them, what will happen if you don't manage to get tickets? Uh, and and the gentleman said, we'll watch it on the giant screen. So such is the craze. I have met fans who have come from UP. I have met fans who have come from Bangalore. But support would be overwhelming in favor of Mumbai Indians because this is the home team. And I managed to catch a bit of banter between a Mumbai Indian fan and an RCB fan, a friendly banter. And that is this such kind of see, fans are the lifeblood of any sport. And this kind of banters, IPL thrives on that. This time, the excitement is a little low beyond Vaibhav Suryavanshi. This IPL hasn't captured the fans' imagination as yet. But the fact is that today is a completely different thing. Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli, the game's two biggest stars. And what is sport without star culture? What is sport without star power? So from that point of view, Mumbai Indians fans are saying Rohit will score 100. RCB fans are saying Virat Kohli will score 100. If you look at head to head at this venue, 6-1 in favor of Mumbai Indians. But the last game here was won by the RCB. RCB are the defending champions. Last game they won against. See, the common factor at this moment in time is Vaibhav Suryavanshi. In both both Mumbai Indians and Royal Challengers Bangalore were Suryavanshid in their respective last matches, and they have to get back to the winning ways. RCB are doing well. They lost one game. They are a little bit better placed, I would say. Mumbai Indians, after winning against KKR, lost their next two matches. And bowling has been their problem. They are not taking enough wickets, especially in the power play. And this is a concern that has been voiced by both Captain Hardik Pandya and Coach Mahela Jayawardena. Now, Bumrah, we are not looking into. Nobody is reading much into Bumrah. Has gone wicketless so far in this tournament. Just 3 matches, 11 overs he has bowled, and he has conceded. In an IPL where fastest 50s are being scored for fun, he is going at an economy rate of 8 runs per over. That is the magic of Bumrah, even if he is not taking wickets. And as Karan Pollard, Mumbai Indians batting coach, said yesterday that when the time will come, Mumbai Indians, Jasprit Bumrah will get wickets. So that is not a big problem. But the others need to chip in. Trent Bolt, Deepak Chahar, Shardul Thakur is bowling sort of not badly in the middle overs. But it is about the power play. Our Mumbai Indians have got an injury boost with Mitchell Santner fit, and he is very likely to replace Allah Ghazanfar in this game. Avinandan is a problem area. Avinandan hasn't been bowling very well for RCB. We have to see whether they make a change. See, RCB is batting. Both teams, they have serious batting power. RCB, Jacob Bethel is not getting the game. A generational talent like Jacob Bethel is not getting the game. But at the end of the day, today is a collective. I asked someone, I bumped into a young man who is also an Arsenal fan and Mumbai Indians fan. And he is a bit down in the sense that his Arsenal lost to Bournemouth yesterday. And now they have made things difficult for themselves because now Manchester City are at a touching distance. Manchester City are snapping at Arsenal's heels. If Arsenal fail to win the Premier League this term, that would be bottling of the century. But that is a different thing. I deliberately digress to a Premier League a bit. But coming back to this game, I mean, Super Show awards, underlined Super Show awards, two very big teams, and the two most and the two teams with serious ardent fan following. So all combined, it is going to be a blockbuster. I bumped into someone whom and I asked him for predictions, and he said Mumbai Indians in super over. As for us, the reporters, we want to keep super overs at arm's length because we work on tight deadlines. But from the fans' perspective, if it happens, if the game goes to super over, that would be the cherry on the top. On that note, this is Shomit Chakraborty from outside Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai on behalf of Brave Sports. Thank you. बॉम्बे का हो या बेंगलोर का?
आरसीबी बेंगलोर।
बेंगलोर से आए हो? हाँ, ये मैच के लिए टिकट है, टिकट मिला है। अच्छा, आरसीबी जीतेगा? आरसीबी का फैन हो या विराट का?
विराट।
विराट का? ये इसके बाद ये मेरे को वो रोहित का फैन मिल गया। रोहित का फैन, विराट के फैन के बाद रोहित का फैन मिल गया।
टिकट नहीं है, बस टिकट है।
हाँ, उसका टिकट नहीं है तो, कौन जीतेगा? मुंबई ना, आमची मुंबई।
हार्दिक पांड्या आएगा। हार्दिक पांड्या।
हार्दिक पांड्या
मारेगा रोहित शर्मा।
क्या बोल रहा है रोहित?
विराट कोहली आज सेंचुरी मारेगा।
हाँ,
सेंचुरी मारेगा।
सेंचुरी मारेगा।
100% खेलेगा। 100% सेंचुरी मारेगा। विराट कोहली खेलेगा। रोहित।
लेकिन वो तो चैंपियन है, आरसीबी तो चैंपियन है।
अरे हार्दिक पांड्या खेलेगा आज।
आरसीबी चैंपियन है, क्या बोल रहे हैं?
हैट्रिक चैंपियन होगा।
हैट्रिक होगा?
हैट्रिक होगा।
हैट्रिक
एक बार जीतने में 5 बार जीतने में फर्क है ना।
हाँ, वो तो है। हाँ।
हैट्रिक अभी हैट्रिक एक बार भी नेक्स्ट आरसीबी। अरे भाई 18 साल तो ये कितने में लगे तुमको? देख बाद में देख लो।
का फैन हो या मुंबई इंडियंस का?
Football, actually, I am football player, but
You are a football player. For which club?
yeah, not a club, but
Academy.
yes, again.
Okay, but you are for Mumbai Indians.
Yes, I support Mumbai Indians.
Okay, where do you stay?
Kalyan.
Kalyan. Okay, you have got a ticket?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, because I have been bumping into a lot of fans who don't have tickets as yet.
Yes,
So MI will win.
yes, yeah, definitely.
You are a bit down, I guess, after this Arsenal defeat. But will they go on and win the league,
Yeah.
or Manchester City?
Arsenal is very big city.
Okay, okay, all the best.
Yeah.
अब किधर से आए हो?
हम कर्नाटक बीजापुर से।
अच्छा,
तो
सिर्फ ये मैच के लिए या या सब मैच के लिए जाते हो?
ये मेन यही आरसीबी, वी आर सपोर्टिंग आरसीबी टीम, स्पेशली विराट कोहली।
ये इतनी छोटी बच्चे को लेके भी आए हो, ये भी क्या क्रिकेट का फैन है?
हाँ, ये भी
अच्छा,
से आरसीबी है।
से आरसीबी
नहीं वो
शर्मा रही।
आप टिकट कहाँ से खरीदे हो? बुक माई शो?
सर till we are trying to get the ticket.
Oh, you still haven't got the tickets?
We are trying since 15 days.
My God.
If there is any chance, we can
Online
get in.
only in 1 hour all the tickets have been sold.
Oh, so if you don't get the tickets, what will you do?
So finally we can see in screen. That's it.
Just bit together, please. हेलो बेटा, आरसीबी बोलो.
आरसीबी
आप बॉम्बे से हो और आप बैंगलोर से हो. बैंगलोर से आए हो ये मैच देखने के लिए. टिकट है
टिकट तो नहीं मिला सर।
तो मिलेगा, ना मिले तो
हाँ मिले तो क्या कर सकते हैं?
तुम्हारा दोस्त है ये. हाँ, कहाँ पे रह रहे हो? दादर पे. ये इसके घर. अच्छा, कौन जीतेगा आज?
मुंबई, बेंगलोर।
बैंगलोर. अपना एक दूसरे से झगड़ा होता है? नहीं झगड़ा होता है.
वो आरसीबी का फैन है, मैं मुंबई का।
आज होगा.
आज होगा, भाईचारा खत्म।
भाईचारा खत्म बोल रहे हैं सब. ठीक है, ऑल द बेस्ट.